Ame. Ketama tu Murray Aroi saya pernah. Madu, he is a singer, so here's with my friend, many friend here. I will show you this one they call Chacha, and that one they call Solu. And here, I show you our talent for sing a song. So who gonna win tonight? One. Which key you want to play? DG. So now we will try to sing a song. And then Master Product, he's the one sing that song. He's no guitar than us for well I know the play.
We did top of the stair.
Top of the stair. Okay.
Well, I knew a place that love can visit, and I know a woman who meets me there. She takes my hand and gently leads me, and we go up to the room at the top of the stairs. I close the door as she know her colors, and we made love. It's a private affair. How can I run? And now all of a sudden, there ain't no room like a room at the top of the stairs. When we climb out the stairway to heaven, we find love waiting there, right at home, just me and my baby. Love is good, and I blew up top of the stairs. When we climb out the way to heaven, when we find love waiting there, right home, just me and my baby. Love is good, and I blew up top of the stairs.
Million view, cara sekarang
Million view.
Saya cuma ada sebangnya jatuh lah.
Ini